Hey everyone, Chef John Liddell here at the Monogram Design Center in Chicago. I want to show you one of my favorite Advantium recipes. Once again, Brussels sprouts Panzanella. It's a bread, vegetable, fruit salad that has some tang and a lot of zip to it. I hope you enjoy it. First step, utilize the Advantium and roast some Brussels sprouts. A little salt and pepper, olive oil in there. Toss your Brussels sprouts really nicely. All you want to do is lay them onto the bake tray here. Make sure they're laying nice and flat. Doesn't really matter if they're face up or face down. Once you've done that, go ahead and grab that tray, come over to the speed oven. Put that tray right inside there, make sure it spins freely, and then access the 175 pre-programmed cooking recipes. Once you've accessed the recipes, scroll all the way over to the last section, which is going to be side dishes. Press your selector, scroll through to roasted mixed vegetable. Once you select that, hit the selector once more, and then go ahead and add about 4 minutes. I add 4 minutes so I get a perfectly caramelized Brussels sprout, really nice char on there, but still a little bit al dente. So if you enjoy that, 14 minutes is exactly where you're going to want to be. So once I hit 14 minutes, go ahead and press the selector in once more to start the cooking process. Remember, no preheat time necessary. Let the speed oven do the work. All right, the Brussels sprouts are just about finished. They're looking perfect. You can see them under the halogen light here. While they were cooking, I did the other steps of the recipe on our pro range. I took coconut oil, garlic, a little bit of onion, some honey, balsamic vinegar, and some fresh basil, and made a nice vinaigrette here. So we'll take that, add it right here to this bowl. And now, when the Brussels sprouts are finished, we can just grab those out of the speed oven. Go ahead and combine them right down into that mixture. Don't worry about getting too much of that vinaigrette on there. They're going to absorb it. They're going to keep some of that crunch. Everything will be perfect. And then to that, we add a little bit of fresh kale, baby kale, so it's not too bitter. Bread, toasted, and some fresh apple. Last step, give it all a nice mix, and our Brussels sprouts Panzanella is coming together. Last step, a little bit of fresh blue cheese. Guys, Brussels sprouts Panzanella, one of the quickest, most delicious, easy recipes done in our Advantium speed oven.